Hello. So anyway, I know I was walking through a dark place. A lot of us really have a bad flu this year. So I just, if anybody has a cough, this really works. I'm not even joking. So you get the humidifier. See the humidifier? And you fill it to the line right there, and you add a little bit of salt, because what happens is, well, I just added a whole lot of salt. It just said a pinch of salt, but that should work. It just helps it steam better. And so you put it in like that. Well, I know everybody knows how to do it. And then you buy this. Course, guess where I got it at? You got it, Walmart. It's Equate Medicated Vaporizing Steam Liquid. You need to put it in here, in this little container thingy. I don't have like stands for my phone. And we all know I'm not that good with this stuff. Even though I work in electronics, I know. It surprises me too. But actually I do a good job. Even though Michael might not think so. Michael is my coworker. Yeah. He's from Egypt. Isn't that cool though? I know somebody from Egypt. I think that's really cool. But, you know, he's not like in the Bible days, because he likes to say the F word all the time. Like it's the word the. I know Amelia's no saint either. I'm telling on everybody. So we got the Vicks set up. This is why it takes me forever to go to bed after work. It's like I have so much to do. And then you're going to get the Vicks. Sorry, Walmart. It's actually Vicks. This is Vicks Vapor Rub. And you're going to rub it on your chest and your neck. And if you want to stick it up your nose, you can do that too. You can do whatever you want with the Vicks, but it's really hot. So you want to make sure you do all that, because it helps. But not like the vaporizer. And then you want to get, okay, so for my kids, I have a mess. Tocool. I never heard of it, but it really does work with the kids. And then for me, and I got it for my daughter, is the Robitussin Severe cough and sore throat. This worked too. Just fill that cup. I don't think this cup went to that one though. No, that went to probably the one with alcohol. The alcohol is Tylenol Cold Max for us alcoholics. Just joking. Okay, so the doctor prescribed my dad. Don't tell my dad, he'll kill me. Marijuana for his pain. Yeah, hypocritical, totally. But Robitussin is really good. I'll be taking that. I don't know if I'm going to take this or my Aleve, because Aleve really, really helps with muscle pain, and I'm on my feet all day. They wonder how I stay so skinny. Well, now we know. But everybody at work really is, skinny. But anyway, so plug that in, put your pajamas on, or don't put your pajamas on, and get this steam in you going, and you will have the best night's sleep. Look at my hair. It's all like electrified. Phew. So San Diego, it's like 80 degrees here today. Yeah, it was terrible. No, Southern California sucks. I mean, it's just not good. But anyway, you guys have a good night's sleep. And then Daniel at work, he wants me to do something exciting, like go to exciting places, do something Thrilling. Well, I think I'm going to show Paranormal Activity. Yes. Oh, we'll see how that goes. Okay. Have a good night's sleep. Bye. I know I gotta push the square.